Didn't it used to make a noise? Don't remind me to turn the volume up so we hear that beep. Sorry, just missed a bunch of things. All right, naming ketones. If that CH3 were not there, we would call this 2-butanone. You see that? So this is 3-methyl 2-butanone. You see it? We numbered from this side, numbering to the ketone structure. That's not 3-butanone, it's 2-butanone. So that makes this carbon 1 and this carbon 2 and this carbon 3. So it's 3-methyl 2-butanone. Makes sense? It's 3-methyl 2-butanone. Remember that you can do these over and over. If you go through these and you start getting a bunch of stuff wrong, this one's not even graded. So you could do, say, 5 of these and then submit it and see how you did and decide what you're doing wrong if you're doing something wrong and then try again. This one is graded. Even the graded ones you can do as many times as you want. I'll take your grade as the highest grade that you get. But this, okay, naming an ester. Oh, it's not branched. I thought these were branched. Naming branched. Is this what I clicked on? Oh, I just clicked it. Okay. So this is mixes them up, branched. What's the base name here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it were just hydrocarbon, we would say hexane. It's a carboxylic acid, so we're going to say hexanoic acid. We're going to number from the right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it's 4, 5 dimethyl hexanoic acid. You with me? Branched aldehyde. If this CH3 were just an H, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It would be hexanal with no number. Because it's an aldehyde, it's on the end, it's hexanal. So we're numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, so 3-methyl hexanal. Makes sense? Ketone, you can actually number from either side here, but you're going to number from the side that keeps this the lowest number now. You see what I mean? This is right in the middle. So if this CH3 were an H, we would call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So heptanone, it would be 4-heptanone. So you begin with 4-heptanone. And now to keep this number the lowest, we're going to call that 2. Because this is going to be carbon number 4, whether you number from this side or whether you number from this side. So in that case, you defer to this one to make it the lowest. So this is 2-methyl 4-heptanone. That's carbon number 2. This is carbon number 4 in either direction. Does that make sense? Did we do branched alkanes? I think we did last time. Let me draw this in here. Let me draw this and I'll back up and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Carbons. So that is intake. That's just intake. Since this is all hydrocarbon, that part's going to stay the same. It is pentane. But now we've got to number it. We want to number from this side to keep the numbers along. So 1, 2, 3 methyl. We've got a 2, 3 methyl. We've got a 3 ethyl. So far. Alphabetically, ethyl comes first, so it's 3. So this is a branched alkene. It's just all hydrocarbon. You've got a main chain, and you've got 3 branches coming. 2 of the branches are methyl. 1 of the branches is ethyl. Make sense?
So it's not 2, 3 dimethyl.
Oh, yes, yes.
Oh, okay.
I make that mistake all the time. It is dimethyl. You might see that mistake in some.
So the alphabetical order is based off the prefix, not the die. So
Yeah.
like that's still
It's
important.
based off that, not the numerical prefix. It might be tri, it might be tetra. With your bigger molecules, we could have tri, tetra, beta. But yeah, you don't go by the numerical prefix. All right. I will leave that. Simple naming. Alkanes branch. Yeah, we did go over those. This is a not graded alkanes branch like that we just did. So this is one you could have gotten to this week. There's branched. There's 2 branched. This is 2,2-dimethyl propane. You see it? This is 2-methyl butane. You see it? 2,3-dimethyl butane. Does it make sense? Do practice these. We have a bit more naming to do. I think, I don't have a schedule put up yet, but I'm thinking probably the first week in February we'll have our first test, maybe the second week. So I'll make a schedule so that's a little more locked in. We have a couple of weeks. We'll do more naming. I think we'll get to a little bit beyond naming. I hope we have enough video